Hello and welcome to Cryssberry Kitchen. So today we're going to see how to make this very delicious vegetable biryani with fresh vegetables and fried bread in a pressure cooker. So let's go. Here I have soaked 2 cups of biryani rice. You can also use basmati rice. Just soak it in water for 20 minutes. Heat a pressure cooker and add about 1 teaspoon of ghee. You can add more ghee if you want. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of ghee and 2 teaspoons of oil. So here I have whole spices, that is 1 stick of cinnamon and 1 clove, 1 star anise and a bay leaf. We'll drop it in the pressure cooker and saute it for a while until we get a nice aroma. And then we'll add cumin, that is half teaspoon of cumin seeds. Let it splutter. After which we'll add about 1 medium sized onion. Half of the onion I have chopped and half I have sliced. So we'll add it into the pressure cooker. We'll saute it until it turns golden brown in color. We'll add some salt to fasten the cooking process. So now it has turned golden brown. Now we'll add some water so that it doesn't get burnt. And then we'll add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala and 2 teaspoons of biryani masala powder. If you don't have biryani masala powder, it doesn't matter, you can add garam masala instead. That is around 3 teaspoons of garam masala powder. Now we'll add 1 big tomato, roughly chopped. Try to take the most ripest tomato you have. We'll cook it until it turns soft. In the meantime, we will grind. Here I made a paste of 1 cup of coriander leaves, half cup of pudina, 1 inch piece of ginger, 1 green chilli and 5 to 6 pods of garlic. So now we'll add this paste into the pressure cooker. So now our tomatoes are nicely mashed. We'll just mix up this for about 2 to 3 minutes. And then we'll add our fresh vegetables. I have half of a capsicum, half cup of cauliflower, 1 medium sized potato and 1 carrot. Okay, we'll add everything into the pressure cooker. So we'll mix everything well and we'll add the soaked rice. Drain the water completely from the rice before adding the rice into the cooker. Don't use the water that you used to soak the rice. Just mix it well. And we'll add 3.5 cups of water. We'll add the required amount of salt now. And 1/4 cup of beaten curd. Just add it slowly and keep stirring, otherwise it can curdle. That doesn't look good. So just keep stirring while you add your curd. Now we will pressure cook it for 1 whistle, not more than that, just 1 whistle. Now after 1 whistle, just turn your flame to low and let it cook for another 5 minutes. So now we will fry our bread in the meantime. I have 3 slices of bread here cut into small pieces. So we will start frying it. Add oil up to 1/2 inch height of the pan and start frying the bread. The bread tends to fry quickly, so always keep your flame on low medium and fry it. Okay, we'll flip it over. So fry it batch by batch, otherwise it tends to get burnt completely. So now it's ready. We'll remove the bread. Okay. So now we'll add the remaining pieces of bread and fry it too. So all our bread pieces are fried and ready now. So now let's check our biryani. See, it's nicely cooked. So we'll just mix it up. See, all our vegetables, everything is perfectly cooked, not mashed. Even our rice is perfect. So we'll add the fried bread to it. You can also choose to fry the bread in ghee. It tastes much better. So now here I have used oil, but you can also use ghee. So now our very delicious veg biryani with bread fry is ready to eat. So cook, share, enjoy.